Right, this is the interface of Microsoft Word, the familiar interface. Right, let me explain, even though you know this, let me explain this interface. Same as in the Excel, this is the set of icons we have to use. Ribbons are there, right? Tabs, inside tabs there are ribbons. But even though that looks like same as Excel, but that is not same. Some are same, but some are different. As an example, this style area we didn't see in Excel. Styles we didn't see in Excel. So we can see that only in Word. Right, this is word processing. Word processing software. This is word processing software. Right. Then applying styles, paragraphs, everything that is important in word processing. Right. In the file menu, you have the standard things. Info, that means this page, right? New, open, save as. Is save as, you know, we can change the name of the file. Share, I mean that we can share with some share functions are there. Share with people. If you're going to share with people, then you can share to other people. Then if you want, you can send email particular document, right? Or this is another presentation, present online, and or you can save in cloud. Cloud means you are saving in Microsoft OneDrive. OneDrive is the Microsoft cloud, right? You can save that in Microsoft OneDrive, which you have logged into the your Windows PC, that particular Microsoft account. There's a OneDrive space attached with the particular thing, then you can use that space to save. And you can export to PDF and some other file types, right, like that. And this is the account you can use to log into your OneDrive and all. This is the account I have logged in. This is my name, right? And options tab also very important. Let me explain this when we thorough in Microsoft Word, right? Now I am going to skip the option tab. Right. Now this standard toolbar, let me explain the standard toolbar in the home tab, right? There's a clipboard. Clipboard means what you have copied, that is clipboard. We can copy, paste, cut. We can do everything in the pasteboard. Pasteboard means if you are copying something, right? As an example, if I am going to copy this as an example thing, now I am going to select this particular text, then you can see these two icons are enabled. If not so, this is disabled. See, you can't click on. Once I select, then I can say copy. Then once I copy it, then the paste button activated. That means there is something stored in the paste board, right? Clipboard to paste. If I cut this, this is deleting. Now I'm going to paste. That is pasting like that. The paste button, that is well known thing. And these are other areas, other tools. Let me explain bit. I need some text in this document to teach you. I'm going to add some text, right? That command adding some text, you to type something. Then you do practices. If you want to type something, then you can equal RAND, open bracket, close bracket. That is adding some text, standard text. Or you want increase equal and Again, so that is only 50 lines, right? 5 pages, right? Added 5 pages. I don't want 5 pages, then only few. This is enough for me. I'm going to add one topic here. Just think this is the topic. Right? Topic, I'm going to increase the font size. You can use this, or you can use these two icons to expand, or you can center. These are the features of Microsoft Word, and alignments are there: center, left, right, or justified. And justify you can identify better when we can apply this to the entire text. You can see that this is aligned to this side. This is left aligned, right? If I press this, that is center aligned, right alignment. I'm going to press this. This is, it's known as justify. Justify, I mean both lines adjusted, aligned to the left and right both. And I'm going to center this. Right, okay. And this is home page and bold, underline, italic, and stick out. Stick out is you can cut something. You want, so this is cut. It's not applicable. Then you can show that you have cut it. Right? This is superscript and subscript. As an example, if I want to take it, I'm selecting the two, and I want to say this is square of the 10. Right? And I want to say the base 2. Base 2. Right? That is that. And this is word art. If you want add some word art or text effects, then you can select this. As an example, now I am going to add this text. I am going to add into style text. And you can select any. Right? This is another effect you can add using this. This is really, we can highlight. If you want to highlight something, then you can highlight. See? Highlight. You can clear all formatting by pressing this. That is cleared. And this is tab. You can apply some tabs using this. Left and right, you can move this text. And alignments. And this is line spacing. If I want to apply this line spacing, see, if you, when you are writing assignments, then you need to apply that into 1.5 or 2, double space. And this is another, then you can change the line space in there. Here you can add frames. Right? You can add some frames. say no frames. No borders. Right, that is, you can apply some borders, and if you want to apply border for the entire text, then you can select all and you can add a border. If you're going to select this, what is happening? That is separating each and every paragraph into a box, adding frames for all paragraphs. And this is very good. Then you can apply some predefined, see, styles. You have many styles to apply here. If you want to apply to one paragraph, only to selected text. See, that is applied only to selected text, and you are applying another to the next paragraph, another formatting to next. That is up to you. If you want clear all formatting, then you can select this. Right? Again, that was reset. Presets. Those are the things in this particular thing. Then let me explain this tab area. I'm going to add bullets and number in here. Then you can click here and you can add some bullets, or you can change bullets by clicking here. Here you can, if you want to add another symbol, then you can click here and you can select. Here you can change the font. Right, you can change the font. Right. You can select any symbol here. If you want to change your font, then you can change to other fonts. Right. In any font, you can select any font, right? As an example, I'm going to add this Apple mark. Right, added, and press OK. Right. Then I could change the bullet. Right. I could change the bullet. Now, if you want to add some bullet numbers, not the bullet marks, this is bullet number, right? Then you can add it, and if you want add, if you are going to press enter key, then that is adding what happened after the Z, that became AA, right? And in any list category, we have some subcategories. As an example, think B, C, D, and under D. Then we can't say that B, C, and D. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this one ahead. Then that is adding another thing here. And I want to say that F and D is subcategory of, it's going like that, right? Or I'm going to add bullet numbering. I'm going to change that to number, right? Numbers. I'm going to put that number, right? In number context, if I'm going to increase one indent there, that is also adding the same, right? Or you can format that in another way, right? You can format that in another way. You can select sub, you can select that like this. Now what happened? 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, right? Now I'm going to add, I'm pressing the tab key here. What was happened? Right? Like that, we can add many formats are there. Many formats are there. Right? If I'm going to add that ascending order, that is in ascending, right? I'm going to reset all these. That is the order. Those are the things you have to learn in this particular tab. Nothing else. Insert, that is bit important thing, right? Let me add another. Insert what? Cover page, blank page, page break. If you want to break this page from here, that means you want get this part another page, then you just select in the point and you are going to press then first page and balance part move to the second page. That is page break, right? And if you want to add another blank page, you can add a blank page, right? That is insert tab. Cover page. Here you can add any cover page. There are some templates. This is the cover page. You can change this, right? My name is taken automatically. And that's it in that first part. In the page ribbon, table ribbon, only the table is there, right? I'm going to insert one table. If I press here, you can see a grid. I can insert a table, and you can type things here. Once you press the tab key, that goes to the next cage. Right now, I'm in the last cell. If I'm going to press another key, then that is adding. Right. Once we select the table, once you are in the table, you can see there's another table tool and design tool and layout tool. Right here, you can select any layout for this table. Yeah, I'm going to select this, or I'm going to select this. Those are built-in things. Layout means you can select, right? If you want to insert rows below or insert columns, right? Like that. That is the layout thing. If you want to insert another row, then you can go to that, and another thing is you can right click here and you can do that. Insert, if you said insert here, you can insert row above, row below, column left, column right. and this is draw table. Draw table means that you are getting pencil, then you can draw it here. Right now that became another cell. See, that is the easiest way to split. If you want split only this, then you can draw one here. You're going to split this to this like this, right? Then that is the draw table tool. You can draw that, then that is really applying to the table. Right, draw table. If you want to erase one column, then you can like this. See, I'm erasing all this.